All right, just going on to question number 7. What happens if all of a sudden we're expected to factor with fractions? Well, let's make our life easy and get rid of that fraction. So I'm going to multiply everything in this equation by 2. And so when I do that, 3 halves times 2 works out to just be 3. 1 half times 2 works out to just be 1. And a negative 1 times 2 works out to be a negative 2. And so now by doing that, it makes it a very simple quadratic equation that we can solve. So again, I'm going to factor this using Lucky method. So a 3x and an x, a 2 and a 1, 3x minus 2x is 1x. The 3 needs to be a positive and the 2 needs to be a negative. So a positive 3 and a negative 2 will give me a plus 1. So my factors are 3x minus 2 and an x plus 1. So when I solve this, I'm making the 3x minus 2 equals 0 to give me 3x equals 2, which gives me an x equals 2/3. And then I'm taking the x plus 1 equals 0 to give me an x value of negative 1. Okay, so that's how we'd tackle something like with fractions.